are on the record, the matter of state of Ohio versus Michael December 21, CR 182. He's before the court for an indictment, hearing regarding setting bond on the indictment for stealing stolen property, which is an evidence with an F4. Served an F4 served between 6 and 3 months and $5,000. Your application for court from the council says that you live at 11916 Hillsborough.
Yes, ma'am.
Who lives there with you?
I live there with my daughter. I currently got out of rehab, and I ain't got no work just yet. I've got a couple small paint jobs I've got going on right now, and I just come home from rehab, and I live with my daughter.
Okay. So no employment at this time, is that correct?
No, ma'am. I was supposed to talk to a guy today. I didn't realize I had the warrants out for me.
Okay. Sir, you also have the right to receive this indictment at least 24 hours prior to today's arraignment. When did you receive a copy of your indictment?
I got that about an hour ago.
So do you waive the right to have that in your hands for 24 hours? Don't look at him, between you and I. I mean,
Do I?
you can wait, you can do this tomorrow, or we can go forward.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You also have the right to have me read this indictment to you. Would you like me to read it to you?
Yes, ma'am, if you want to.
So your indictment alleges, count one, that under about September 19, 2021, in Ohio County, Ohio, Michael A. Campbell did receive, retain, dispose of certain property to when it was a 1999 Chevrolet Silverado. The motor vehicle is defined by ORC 4501.01. The property of another Kayla Heron. The said Michael Campbell having or knowing or having reasonable cause to believe that the property been obtained through the commission of theft offense in violation of section 2913.51 of the Ohio Revised Code against the peace and dignity of the state of Ohio. Upon reviewing your application for court-appointed counsel, you do qualify for court-appointed counsel. I will appoint Captain Hackner to represent you. Ms. Hackner's name and phone number will be in an entry that you receive, so that you can contact her prior to the next hearing. We do need to talk about bond in your case. Is there anything that you should state in regards to bond?
Ma'am, I would like to ask for OR. I'm on parole authority. They know all about this. I report to them. I'm not no real big threat of running or nothing like that. I got 150 days in at recovery center. Sitting in jail is going to help me be a better person. Last 150 days, I've become a totally different man than what I was 150 days ago. I got plenty of opportunity out there trying to find work. I got good, positive support people out there. I'm doing my best that I possibly can. I'm almost 46 years old. Getting a little older. I'm getting a little wiser now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like to ask for an OR bond, man.
You know, one of the things that I consider when I look at this is your prior history, which is 3 pages in front of me, as well as whether or not I think that you would return to the hearing. Unfortunately, with your history, I just don't think that I can give you an OR bond. I'm going to say, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I know, I apologize. When they first gave me this charge, they gave me, it was an F5, I do believe, and they gave me an OR bond on it. I really ain't got no kind of money really right now to bond out. And so it falls all back on my daughter and her husband, and I really, but it's up to you. I apologize. I understand about my record, about who I used to be, leave, I understand. I accept that.
Yeah, and unfortunately, I think I'm with a $10,000 bond, and get out bonds and usually for 10% of that. And we will send this for bond review in 3 days where I can reconsider that. However, at this time, I'm going to order a $10,000 bond.
Why so high? You don't mind my asking?
Well, when I look at.
It's in that 4.
Yeah. And when you have an attorney here in a couple days, maybe she'll be able to convince me to drop that down. But, you know, I'm looking at your, report here. You have an F1, an F5, an F3. I mean, another F3. You've got like, I don't know, I'd say there's 30 charges on a page. There's probably 50, 60 different charges on here that you've had in the past, and you know, one thing that you have going for you is I don't see any failures with peers. But you do have auto theft charges on here before also. So I think the $10,000 bond is appropriate at this time. Like I said, we'll get your attorney here and we'll discuss this in a couple days. Right now, you are currently scheduled for your first pretrial on June 6th, 1 p.m. That is by Zoom. Final pretrial July 20th, 1 p.m. by Zoom. I'm currently scheduled for a jury trial on August 9th at 8 a.m. I am also going to order that if you are able to be released to pay $171 service fee through the clerk of court's office, you have to pay that within 30 days. If you are able to make pay the bond, I would also order that you report weekly to the probation department, including immediately after your release from incarceration. You would have to undergo any random drug testing that they request. Keep them informed of any telephone number, or address. I would also order that you not have any contact with the alleged victim, which in this case is Taylor Heron. And you would have to remain in house arrest at your residence at 11916 Maple Trail, Coastal, Ohio. You can get some privileges to the probation department to work on those kind of things, if you have to remain on house arrest at any other time. Any questions about any of that?
So I need to make a bond, I need to get an EMH, whatever the electronic monitor, and pay you $153 on top of my bond. Yes, ma'am. 171. Okay, and that sounds like a lot. I apologize. I'm on parole right now with 38 and I know I ain't going nowhere. I comply with the adult parole authority. Like I'm trying to be a positive person in society again. I apologize to you and your courts for the inconvenience of this case, truthfully. I appreciate everything you've done for me. Thank you.
We'll set this for bond review here in a couple days, if you're not able to get out, and we'll rediscuss it at that time. Is there anything further?
Yes. No, ma'am, thank you.